How to delete memories on Snapchat. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Snapchat and then go to your memories, and there are actually two ways to delete and remove the memories on Snapchat. The first one is to just click and hold on the memory that you want to delete. Then from the given menu list at the bottom that just appeared, click on more, then click on delete. And once you do that, you will get this confirmation box that asks you, are you sure you want to remove this snap? Click on delete to confirm. That's the first way. The second way is to click on the memory that you want to delete and then click on the three dots at the top right corner, and from the given menu list click on delete snap, and again you will get the same confirmation box. Click on delete to confirm, and by doing that your snaps or photos slash pictures will be deleted from the memories on Snapchat. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can clear memories on Snapchat. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.